working on the 04 Mustang GT. Pardon the wind. It's extremely dirty. But working on doing a new exhaust system, as you can see. I didn't film taking out the exhaust, but I'm putting in a set of, but this was a MagnaFlow cat back that I took out, put a Flowmaster 10 in. I just don't like the sound of it anymore. It's just too loud. So I ended up ordering a new exhaust system here. The Borla stype here. Hopefully have a little nicer sound, a little quieter, not so much drone, because this car was so stupid loud. Because I have, right now, I'll show you underneath, bassani X pipe. No, it's not on the jacks, it's on ramps. But I've got a bassani X pipe up to my manifolds right now. I have some more goodies on the way. I'll show you what I've got back here. Grinder EGR tube, oil pan gasket because it's been leaking. And I said a BBK shorty ceramic coated headers, titanium ones. This is the part number for it here. So unfortunately it's just me today doing this. She's super dirty. Winter's been killing us right now. But at least have everything out now. I didn't want to film taking it out because it was nothing but a bunch of cussing. Because I kind of had to put together the exhaust cheaply when I did my clutch a few months back. So, and then a little update on the truck here. I've got just the kit, winch kit from Rough Country. I did the Badlands winch from Harbor Freight. You can see she's now got a camper shell on her. Custom bumper. Back here's a mess right now because, well, don't got room for anything. So that's about what's happening with the truck right now. See, I did the Boost Auto Parts tow meters. And when we towed the cars down to Fuel Fest, this Mustang and another car that is new to the channel we will be releasing hopefully in a couple months now, maybe a couple weeks, depending on when we can get to it. Got a new car to the channel. Go ahead and start on the install. There'll be little cuts out in and out after it's installed, just because the fact, like I said, it's just me. So, all right, guys. So a little update going on here. One underneath here. So exhaust is now in. This took me probably about an hour. So if your car is lowered, especially as low as mine is, mine's got 2-inch Ibach lowering springs. Not sure which ones. With this exhaust kit, the Borla Stinger, Borla S-Type, whatever you want to call it, the Stinger took over the S-Type early, from what my research shows. It won't clear the factory control arms. So if you look here, I still have factory upper control arms and lower control arms still. Not done. I've had these DMS Racing tubular control arms sitting off to the side here for a while now. I've already done these spherical bushings a long time ago. These things are awesome. They are super solid. They don't go anywhere. So that's kind of the update for right now. I'm gonna go ahead and get the tailpipe piece in for right here, and then bolt it up to the Bassani X pipe, which the other part of it's sitting right there. And then we will start on the driver's side next, and also put in the tubular control arm on that side as well, because, well, I'm already in there. It's one more bolt to get to it, so I'm gonna go ahead and get it done. So we'll update you once the driver's side is done, or passenger side is done, I mean, excuse me. All right, so the Borla S-Type is in all the way. New tubular control arm is in. Not bad. And then all the way out to the Borla exhaust tip. Let me get on up. Sticks out about that far. Pretty clean. So this was the old control arm. See, bushings are trashed. So now time for the chimichanga and back to getting the driver's side in. So one tip while you're in here, make sure you don't make the same mistake as me. There's two different size clamps. The smaller one goes to the front of the X pipe, and then the rear one goes up there, the bigger one. So make sure you don't make the same mistake as me and try to open it up bigger and then almost lose the nut. So next will be the driver's side one in a minute here, and then I will go ahead and shoot an exhaust video of this thing. So be back. All right, so exhaust is fully in. We're gonna go ahead and do a startup. First time on the Borla S-Type with Bassani X pipe. Alright, so there you have it. Borla S-Type Stingers with Bassani X-Pipe, no cats, and then just regular manifolds for right now. Hopefully soon get the shorty headers on, and then we should be good to go. So if you guys like what you're seeing here with this Mustang, go ahead and like, subscribe, and comment down below. Remember to comment down below before we do the big reveal on what Toby ended up getting, what kind of car. So sorry for the car being so dirty. It's absolutely horrible looking right now, but we'll get it all cleaned up and everything. The wing is missing right now. I have something in the works for that right now. This is just temporary. So we'll get this thing, get you guys on the next video.